Hello, my name's Ian, welcome back to the Grow Zone. Today we're looking at the Jackson 150 LED panel from the jungle. B-roll. You can find these guys at growthejungle.com. See links below in the description for all the details. They have a large range of LEDs and accessories. We have been sent this panel for free, thanks Roberto. This is an unpaid promotion. We've received no money or instructions from them and nothing special to say. This is our first impressions and overview of the Jackson 150 watt LED panel. Let's get it out of the box. What a cool box, by the way. Awesome designs, and as you'll see in a little moment, they continue to the main panel. Now, I've got to come clean. This is not the first time we've unboxed this. We have had a look at this once before. I'll do my best to act surprised when I get the panel out. Get a couple of stickers, which is nice, instructions, and this is their full brochure from the jungle. As I said, lots of different panels and LEDs. They've got cocoa coir as well and other bits and pieces. Check out the website, growthejungle.com. Nicely packaged, very secure in the box here. And this is the Jackson 150 watt panel from the jungle. So here it is on the table. This is a 60 centimeter by 30 centimeter panel. There's a mix of Samsung and Osram chips on this board. They aim this at beginner to intermediate growers. I'm going to overlay some bits and pieces on the screen to my right here, but this has an LED efficiency of 2.1 micromoles per joule. This panel, the Jackson 150, comes in 3 different versions. This is the non-dimmable. It also comes in dimmable and comes in dimmable with a Bluetooth function, which we believe has an app, and you can do sunrise and sunset and various adjustments to the panel. A quick count of the LED chips on this board gives us 231 white and 33 purple down the center. And just holding it in the hand here, it's really solid build quality and very lightweight. We've put this on the scales and it came out at 1.5 kilograms. So you're going to have no trouble hanging this in any growing scenario. So we have a plan for this panel. We're going to do a seed to harvest in our Urban Grow 1990 grow tent of some chilies. Ideally, we would have liked to have the dimmable option for that application. So we've hung up the panel to give you an idea of how it might look in your tent. We've chosen these corner mounts here. There are actually some mounts in the center here for another option. These ratchets can be found on our shop. See the links in the description. We're going to turn this panel on and I'm going to ruin Christian's image by showing you the LEDs. This is a full spectrum panel. Like I said before, there's a group of whites and purples in the center, and they're a mix of Samsung and Osram chips. We're just going to go through some of the pros and cons of this panel that Christian and I have talked about in the last couple of days. We've only had it in our hands for a little while now, and we've had some comments. It's not really a con, but it was something we had to do to the panel and something you will have to do as well. The plug came unassembled. We had to put the wires into this plug individually. The instructions were nice and clear, and it's understandable as they're shipping this worldwide. They have to send different plugs. The last con that we have is that this unit ships with no hanging apparatus at all. No wires or ratchets are included in the box. Maybe it's different in other versions, the dimmable and the Bluetooth, etc. We don't know. But in this one, no hanging accessories were included. Some of the pros that Christian and I have discussed over the past few days about this panel: really nice build quality. The board is nice and sturdy, and you're going to have no problems with this in any growing scenario. The chips, as I mentioned before, super high quality brands, Samsung and Osram, a blend of, and they're evenly placed and look really nice on the board. The driver on the back, good quality and very large standoffs from the board for good heat dissipation. This is the Jackson 150 watt from the jungle. Check out all the details in the links in the description. As I mentioned previously, we're going to do a seed to harvest grow with this panel. Look out for the other videos coming up. Subscribe if you want to, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep on growing.